Hello and welcome to our video on investing in gold and other precious metals. In today's volatile economic climate, many people are looking for ways to diversify their investment portfolios and protect their wealth. One option that has gained popularity in recent years is investing in gold and other precious metals. But what exactly is gold, and why is it considered a valuable investment? In this video, we'll explore the history and properties of gold, as well as the various ways in which you can invest in it and other precious metals. We'll also discuss the potential risks and rewards of this type of investment and offer some tips for those who are interested in adding gold and other precious metals to their portfolio. Part 1. The history and properties of gold. Gold is a chemical element with the symbol Au and atomic number 79. It is a soft, yellow metal that has been valued for its beauty and rarity since ancient times. Gold is the most malleable and ductile of all metals, meaning it can be easily shaped and stretched into thin wires without breaking. It is also a good conductor of electricity and does not corrode, making it ideal for use in jewelry, coins, and other decorative items. The history of gold as a valuable commodity dates back thousands of years. In ancient civilizations, gold was often used to make jewelry and other decorative objects, and it was also used as a form of currency. The ancient Egyptians believed that gold had medicinal properties and used it to treat a variety of ailments. The ancient Greeks also valued gold and used it to make coins and jewelry. In the Middle Ages, gold became an important part of international trade, and it was used to create coins and currency in many different countries. Today, gold is still highly valued and is used in a variety of applications, including jewelry, coins, and industrial uses. It is also an important component of central bank reserves and is often used as a hedge against inflation. Part 2. Investing in gold. So, now that we've explored the history and properties of gold, let's discuss the various ways in which you can invest in it. One way to invest in gold is through gold bullion, which is gold in its physical form. Gold bullion comes in the form of bars or coins and is typically sold by weight. Gold coins are often more expensive than gold bars due to the added cost of minting and the fact that they are often considered collector's items. Another way to invest in gold is through gold mining companies. These companies extract gold from the ground and sell it to customers. Investing in gold mining companies allows you to participate in the gold market without physically owning any gold. Gold mutual funds and exchange-traded funds (ETFs) are also options for investing in gold. These investment vehicles allow you to own a diversified portfolio of gold stocks without having to purchase individual shares. Finally, you can invest in gold through gold future contracts, which are agreements to buy or sell a specific amount of gold at a future date at a predetermined price. Gold futures contracts are traded on various commodity exchanges and are often used by investors to hedge against inflation or other economic risks. Part 3. Other precious metals to consider. In addition to gold, there are several other precious metals that are popular investment options. These include silver. Like gold, silver is a precious metal that has been valued for its beauty and rarity. It is used in a variety of applications, including jewelry, coins, and industrial uses. Silver is less expensive than gold and is often seen as a more affordable option for investors. Platinum. Platinum is a dense, lustrous metal that is used in a variety of industrial applications, including catalytic converters, electrical wiring, and medical devices. It is also used in jewelry and is generally more expensive than gold. Platinum is often seen as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Palladium. Palladium is a silvery white metal that is used in a variety of industrial applications, including catalytic converters and electronics. It is also used in jewelry and is generally less expensive than gold or platinum. Palladium is often seen as a hedge against economic uncertainty and is known for its ability to maintain its value during times of market volatility. Part 4. Risks and rewards of investing in precious metals. Like any investment, investing in precious metals carries both risks and rewards. Some of the potential risks include market volatility. The price of precious metals can fluctuate significantly, and the value of your investment may rise or fall depending on a variety of factors, including market conditions, economic factors, and political developments. Storage and insurance. If you choose to physically own gold or other precious metals, you will need to consider how to store and insure your investment. This can be a significant cost, and it's important to carefully consider the risks and costs associated with storage and insurance. Counterparty risk. If you invest in gold or other precious metals through a broker or other financial institution, you are exposed to counterparty risk. This means that if the broker or institution goes bankrupt or fails to fulfill its obligations, you may lose your investment. Despite these risks, investing in precious metals can also offer a number of potential rewards, including diversification. Adding precious metals to your investment portfolio can help to diversify your holdings and potentially reduce the overall risk of your portfolio. Inflation protection. Precious metals are often seen as a hedge against inflation as they tend to maintain their value over time. This can be especially important during times of economic uncertainty or rising prices. Potential for long-term appreciation. The value of precious metals can fluctuate over time, but they have generally appreciated in value over the long term. This means that if you hold your investment for a long period of time, you may see a return on your investment. Part 5. Tips for investing in precious metals. If you're considering adding gold or other precious metals to your investment portfolio, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Start with a small percentage of your portfolio. It's generally a good idea to diversify your investments, and investing a small percentage of your portfolio in precious metals can help to diversify your holdings. Consider the type of investment. There are various ways to invest in precious metals, including through physical ownership, mutual funds, ETFs, and futures contracts. Each option carries its own set of risks and rewards, so it's important to carefully consider the type of investment that is right for you. Understand the fees and taxes. Investing in precious metals can carry fees and taxes that may affect your return on investment. It's important to understand these costs and factor them into your decision-making process. Do your research. Before investing in precious metals, it's important to do your due diligence and research the market and the various investment options available. This will help you make informed decisions and potentially maximize your return on investment. Investing in gold and other precious metals can be a valuable way to diversify your portfolio and protect your wealth. While there are risks involved, the potential rewards of this type of investment can make it a worthwhile addition to your investment strategy. We hope this video has provided a helpful overview of the history, properties, and potential risks and rewards of investing in gold and other precious metals. If you're considering adding precious metals to your portfolio, it's important to do your research, understand the fees and taxes involved, and consider the type of investment that is right for you. As with any investment, it's important to carefully consider your financial goals and risk tolerance before making any decisions. It may also be a good idea to speak with the financial advisor or professional to help you understand the risks and rewards of investing in precious metals and to develop a strategy that is right for you. Thank you for watching our video on investing in gold and other precious metals. We hope you have a better understanding of the various ways in which you can invest in these valuable assets, and we wish you the best of luck on your investment journey.